Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you best auto AFK fish macro in Roblox. So if you want to download auto hotkey, make sure you download version 1.1. Once you download auto hotkey, we now can move on to the very first step. If you do join the Discord server, there's going to be tons of different macros. As you can see, I want to download version 1.1, which is the best version. Once downloaded, that you should see the fish macro file in your downloads file. You want to open with notepad, or you can just edit the script. There's one thing you need to change. You need to change your navigation key. My navigation key is hashtag. This is how to find out what your navigation key is. If you do, go to your settings. You can see that UI navigation, toggle it. It does say use the hashtag key to use navigation mode, so change whatever letter yours is. As soon as you do that, all you can do is run the script. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.